Hello guys, this is Silva here again. Good day to you all. Hope you all are making money. Hope you all are milking the market with my strategies. Okay, so in this video, I'll be sharing with you the setup to the last strategy I post here on this channel. Okay, I didn't post I didn't like share with you guys the setting on the other video because the video was getting too long and I don't like for my video to be more than 50 minutes, so that's why I cut the video and I didn't share the setting with you guys. So I'm making this video now in order to do that, so that you get the setting and start using the strategy to make money. Okay, so without wasting much time, I'm just going ahead to do that now. So before we do that, like, if you are coming across this video for the first time, uh, and you don't know how to use this strategy yet, you don't know and when to buy or when to sell, you just like check the description below. I will drop a link to the other video so that you be able to go there and watch the video and learn how the strategy works. Okay, so that you can follow along with us. So this strategy is very powerful. With this strategy you can grow your $10 account, you can grow your $20 account, you can grow your $30 account. Okay, it's very powerful. So without wasting more time, let me just share with you guys the settings. Now I'm going to clear the chat so that I'll start afresh, so that those of you that don't know how to do some things, I can't just go and start showing you, because there are some people that used to be confused on that. So I'll just clear the chat and start afresh so that you get a better understanding. Now let me just do that. Okay, as you can see, this is our chart now. It's plain, nothing on the screen anymore. So now the first thing you do, you click on this F icon right here. After clicking on the F icon, we click on this F icon right here again. Now we search for our first indicator, which is the Ichimoku, which is this one right here. Okay, you click on it. Now this is the, let me change it to the default settings. Okay, this is the default setting. Now I'm just going to start everything afresh. Now the first thing you do, you are going to change this one right here to 3 pixel. Okay, so that the line will be bold. Okay, after changing it, you change the rest to 1 pixel. Change this one to 1 pixel. Then you change the color to white, the color of your background. Okay, if you are using a black background, you change it to black. Okay, change the color to white. Since I'm using a white background, I'll use white. Okay, and after that, you make this color blue. You can use any color of your choice, but me, I'm using blue. Okay, after that, you click on done. See, it's added to our chart now. Now you click on the F icon again. You click on this F icon here also again. And after that, we look for our second indicator, which is the fractal. Okay, this is it right here. You click on it. As you can see, this is the setting. It's just simple as this. The only thing you do is just change the color to any color of your choice. Then you click on done. Okay, this is it right here. You can see it does appear on our chart. Okay, now the next indicator, you click on this and F icon again. Then you add you add the Orson oscillator. Okay, so we are going to search for the Orson oscillator now and add it. Orson oscillator, where are you? Orson oscillator. Okay, now this is the Orson oscillator right here. So we click on it As you can see, this is the settings. Let me change it to the default setting. Okay, this is the default settings. So right here, you don't need to change anything. You just click on done. Okay, you can see it has been added to our chat. Okay, so that's it. Oh, sorry guys, it's like I made a mistake. Instead of awesome oscillator, I added the accelerator oscillator. This is the wrong one, so I'm going to just delete it. The one we need is awesome oscillator, which is this one. Okay, click on it, click on done. Yeah, this is the one. Alright, so the next thing we are going to add is the moving average. Okay, moving average. Yes, a moving average. This is the moving average. After that, we click on, this is the settings. Okay, this is the settings. Just copy everything and click on done. Oh, yes, you change the apply to first indicators data. Okay, then you click on done. Now, what just happened? It refused to add. Let me try it again. Yeah, important thing to note. Like now we have the indicator window one. Okay, now we don't need to go and click on this F icon anymore. This is the one we are going to click now. Okay, so you click on this F icon right here, the down one. Then we add our moving average to first indicators data. Now it's added. As you can see, it's added. You can see the moving average is added on our screen right here. So that's it. Now the next indicator, which is our last indicator, is going to be the stochastic oscillator, which is going to show us our levels. Okay, it's going to show us when our level, which is going to be indicating the overbought level and the oversold level. Okay, so let's just go and add it right now. You click on this F icon again, then you search for the stochastic oscillator. Okay, which is this one right here. Then we add it. Okay, so this is the default. This is the setting, the setup I made before. I'm going to just change it to the default setting and do everything again from the beginning. Okay, so you just change this one to 1. Change it to 1. Sorry, change it to 1. 1. Change this one also to 1. Change this one also to 1. This one also to 1. This one also to 1. Make the color white. Color white. And then you make this one 15. Make this one 85. Okay, then you make the pixel 2 pixel so that the line will be bold. Then you change the color to black in order to enable it to reflect on the screen well so that you can see it. Okay, after that you click on done. So that you can see it has been added. You can see this is the 15 level now right here, and this is the 85 level right here. Okay, so that's that about the setup. This is the setup. So you just take it, go and milk the market, make money. Okay, so that's it guys. I'll be drawing the curtain here. Goodbye guys, wish you luck. Silver out. And please guys, don't forget to subscribe. If you are just coming across my video, don't forget to subscribe, like the video guys, give the video a thumbs up, and please don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post powerful strategy like this, you get notified immediately guys. Bye guys, silver out.